This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by linking the form to a Google Sheet so responses stream into a table. Open the form, switch to responses, and click the green Sheets icon. Choose Create New Sheet or link an existing one. You do this because Sheets provides the structured rows and headers Excel needs. Once the sheet is created, verify column headers match your question text and submit one test response to confirm live syncing. That test proves the link and gives you immediate data to work with. Now clean and normalize the sheet so Excel will interpret fields correctly. Remove empty rows, freeze the header row, and expand any question that returned comma lists into separate columns if needed. Convert timestamps to a consistent date format and replace special characters that could break CSV parsing. Make a copy of the linked sheet when you want a snapshot because the live sheet will keep appending. Once done, check formulas and validation. Static copy prevents accidental changes while you export. Finally, export the clean sheet to Excel. File right arrow download right arrow Microsoft Excel, XLSX. Open the file in Excel, then use text to columns for any delimited answers and check date and number formats versus your locale so formulas work. Recreate or adjust data validations and conditional formats as needed. One troubleshooting tip: if the download stalls, make a copy of the sheet in Drive and download the copy, or export as CSV and import into Excel. Those steps bypass many browser permission or temporary sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.